What if the Oracle of Delphi had been completely wrong about everything? In our timeline, her prophecies shaped ancient Greece for over 1,000 years, but imagine if every prediction failed spectacularly. King Croesus would have crushed the Persian Empire instead of being destroyed by it. Greek city-states would lose their most trusted mediator, plunging into endless wars. The massive wealth flowing to Delphi would scatter across Greece, funding different projects entirely. Without prophetic guidance, Alexander the Great might never have believed he was destined for conquest. Greek colonization would happen randomly, not based on divine approval for new settlements. Most importantly, Greek philosophy would develop without concepts of fate and divine knowledge. Rational thinking would replace mystical prophecy centuries earlier. This could have triggered a Greek industrial revolution long before Rome even existed. Steam engines in Athens, advanced mathematics in Sparta. One failed oracle could have changed the entire course of human civilization.